Just let it rip one time.
Just for it.
Alright, you ready?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna destroy this stuff. Here we go. How you like that for accuracy? I'd say that's pretty accurate.
Let's bring it back. Let's bring it back down here.
What, sir?
Let's bring it back down. Let's see what it looks like.
I'd say that's pretty accurate. Look.
I tell you what.
Not that nice.
I'm covering the entire target. Look at that.
I wouldn't have made it.
That's amazing. That's
I can
amazing.
get a good picture of one.
I just bought one the other day. Had no work done to it yet. He got his all pinned out. He's got about 18 in it. I got more than that. If you count the drum, I got $2 grand in it. Yeah.
Damn work.
All right, we're ready when you are.
All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. How many rounds you put in there? 10. How many? At least. There it is right there. That's a load, man. Golly.
Oh, it broke the
Look at that.
knocked the whole target off.
I tried not to pull the trigger till it was on the target.